So I am starting my vlog on 9th of April. अभी बज रहे हैं 4 and I'm gonna make Dalgona coffee right now. So I'm here in my kitchen and let's get started. So I just posted a photo on Instagram. I'll post it right here. And also, if you want to check all the photos on my Instagram, then please go ahead and follow me. Handle will be here. Yeah. Bye. So it's time for a little bit of skincare. अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 7, शाम के 7, whatever. So it's time for a little bit of skincare. Let's get started. I'm really sorry for the angle. इससे बेटर कोई एंगल मिल नहीं पा रहा था. Yeah. So first, to cleanse my face, I'm gonna use this Himalayas face wash. Now I'm gonna scrub my face.
देखिए गाड़ी कितना सुंदर है दिखने में. तो वीडियो क्यों बना रही है?
Say hi to my brother.
मुझे काट देना ठीक है पार्ट.
बंद करना. So you can see my face. It really feels very smooth right now. Now the last part is to use a face mask. So I'm gonna use my all-time favorite face mask and I'll put it on my face. So I'm also gonna put ice on my face. That was it. Now I'm gonna do some toner and a moisturizer. So yeah. The toner that I use is the Good Vibes Rosehip toner. I have shown it in a lot of my videos. So gonna be like this, like bare face, no moisturizer right now. I will give my skin a little bit of time to soak in everything that I have put in. So no moisturizer for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll use a facial oil. I'll just show you. The facial oil that I use is this Good Vibes Rosehip facial oil. So yeah. a little bit of changes in one of our rooms. So I'm going to show you that. And yeah, that's it. It's 10 o'clock right now, and I don't know what to do today. This is how this room looks like right now. We have to do a lot of things, but अभी कोई सामान नहीं है. Anyways, yeah. Hi guys, so अभी बज रहे हैं 3 and I am watching a movie मोहब्बतें as I showed you, and I'll have another pack of Lotte Chocolate. So it's 7:30 and it's my dinner time right now, so I'm preparing my dinner. I'll show you what I eat. Boiling soya beans, and it has a little bit of salt in it, and I'm also going to add a little bit of oil. Added a little bit of oil in it, and now let it cook for 5 minutes. So that's my boiled soya bean with a little bit of black salt, and yeah, that's my dinner. So this is my dinner as I showed you. Now I'm going to watch Vampire Diaries and eat my dinner. Let me know what web shows and web series you guys are watching, and if you have some recommendations, please comment down below.